We got Mitchell's tinting up here in the shop today.
We're just gonna put a pro charger on it.
Gotta hit up this, man. You got two out there, you're in the tent. Can't say what they are.
Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're out at Cleetus Mcfarlands again. We brought the Rocky Mountain Race Week trailer. We brought our plotter to cut all the film. And Barry's coming out here. We got Philip out here with us. We got a whole bunch of cars to do, so we're gonna get to it. Let's go. First up, we're going to be doing Zach's windshield. We're going to put some double layer ceramic, 55% on the front windshield. I guess he had broke the windshield and replaced it, so we're going to put it back on there so it's nice and cool. It's on Amazon. Cool. It's cheap. With that Amazon pouch. What don't know about that?
George? What's up?
George's in the house. Always put the driver in first, because that way you go around the steering wheel. And I'll get in the passenger and roll it out. I'll roll it out like halfway, spray it, and I'll just put it up, roll it out past the mirror, use my elbow past the mirror, pull the liner once it's past the mirror, and still hold my elbow, and I'm kind of just, Are you trying to take my squeegee? Look at this fool over here squeegeeing my half, just like I do. I always do that to them. They'll be like, leave me some window to squeegee. Look at him. Mowing the yard. I guess I'll help now. Guys, Zach's truck's finished. We got the 55% XR Plus on the full windshield. Philip's gonna clean it up, then we're gonna get on to the next one. All right, next up, we're doing the CX90. We're gonna put XR Plus 55 on the front windshield. Then we're gonna match the back with some 15. Let's get started.
Use this back door as a peel board, so I'm gonna clean it off. And I'm a bottom. I usually do bottom loading. This is my bottom load tool. Just slide it down in here. Hey, this is my video. I get it up high as possible. All right. I always use a soft squeegee for cleaning the final squeegee. Get it nice and wet. pull back on this handle so it doesn't touch the tint. I'm gonna slide it forward a little bit so I can get this back in here. It's not wet enough. I'm gonna line the top up to where it's real close to the edge, but not actually hanging off. I always do 2 passes. First pass, and this is the second. Dry that top edge. Now before I roll it up, I want to grab my tool here and pull back on it so it doesn't touch the tint. And then use my triangle tool to get all the edges. And that's pretty much it. Thank you for coming to Barry's Tint Talk.
Man, look at this thing. I'm putting this gigantic motor in this limo. This thing is wild. Look at this one. This thing's nasty. Alright, so we got the CX-90 done. Came out looking flawless. We did the 2 fronts and we put the 55 on the windshield. All double ceramic, XR Plus. Let's go. Because if you remove it, you can't get the adhesive off the plastic.
Gotcha.
It's like that. But they've already tinted it. Whoever tinted it sucks, because I just busted you. All that dirt in there.
Yep.
Do you know who tinted
You
it?
could tint it, but he would have to get a new glass. But technically it's tinted.
I guess do the rest of it. Yeah, I
They
guess
would
just
do
do
the
the
side
rest.
on the windshield.
This thing he'll only have for a year. So.
They don't care.
Nope.
Won't care.
He doesn't owe any money to this. You know, this was the bet. So him and his dad had a weight loss challenge of some sort, and at the new year, if he didn't lose any weight, I think he had to rent him a GT2 for a year for $1.
Oh my gosh.
So this car only cost him $1.
That's funny. Somebody's already tinted the back. You can't remove it. I would just leave this on here, because if you do remove it, you know, the adhesive won't, it won't come off the plastic. So I was thinking we just do the 2 fronts and the windshield and just call it a day.
Well, I would want to do the quarter windows too. Look goofy if they're not done.
We can do them, but they are plastic as well.
So it's forever.
Yeah, okay. How dark do you want to do them? Maybe the 50.
I think we normally do 15 on the sides and 50 on the front.
Yeah.
Yeah, let's just do that.
All right, that'll work.
All right. Thanks, man.
Yep, no problem.
See ya.
All right, later. All right, so we just talked to Cleetus. The back glass on these is actually not glass. It's actually plexiglass, if you can see that flexing. And these quarter windows are plexiglass. So this has tint on it already. We're not gonna do anything with that. Cleetus does want us to tint these with 15, so we're gonna put 15 here, 15 there, and then we're gonna do the front windshield with the XR Plus 55 and call it a day on this one. So let's get started.
The one one that everybody game. It's the one that everybody
Alright guys, if you look close, you can see the reminiscence of Dale Sr. over on the pool. Look at him. Notice the legend. There he is. Hell yeah, brother.
Let's go.
Alright guys, next up, Mazda Miata. We're doing it for one of the girls in the merch department. So we're gonna put some 15%, just basic film on it, XPEL CS. Let's get to it. So the Miata's done. We put CS15 over the whole thing, nothing on the front windshield. We're about to bring in another Silverado, so let's get to it. Alright guys, so we're over here in the other warehouse. Let me show you some of the other stuff we did. We tinted Ruby quite a while ago. We tinted this C7 a while ago. We tinted Oreo McFlurry. But all in all, check this thing out. We get to see this thing live in person. I know you guys love this thing. This thing is wild. So we just got all this done. Got the pearl paint on this thing. We're ready to see this thing go down the track. We still got more cars to do. We're gonna head over back to the other building and get those done. So let's go. All right, so on the Silverado, we're gonna put 15 XR single layer ceramic, and then we're gonna put 45 XR single layer ceramic on the full windshield. So I'm already cutting the film, so let's get going. Alright guys, so we're all finished out here at Cleetus's. We got all the cars done from my boy James
whole
here.
Another group done.
Yeah.
Mitchie came through, did his thing. Came a backup, busted out what, 4 today?
Yeah, 4 or 5.
4 and a windshield.
Yeah.
4 complete cars and a windshield. Showed up about 10, leaving at 4.
Yep, let's
This
do
guy
it.
knows the deal, guys. If you need your tint done, hit my boy Mitchie up.
Yep. And don't forget to comment, like, subscribe, and we'll see you on the next one.